Today's idiom is he was quite high maintenance. This phrase describes someone who requires a lot of attention, effort, or resources to manage and keep content. Imagine a complex machine that needs constant repairs and adjustments. A high-maintenance person is similar, but in terms of their needs and desires. The term originated in the mid-20th century, initially referring to such machinery, before being applied figuratively to individuals who are demanding and difficult to satisfy. It's a vivid way to convey that someone requires significant investment, whether emotional, financial, or time-related. Let's look at how high maintenance is used in context. In our first example, my ex-boyfriend was quite high maintenance. He always needed expensive gifts and constant praise. We see it describing someone who demands a lot financially and emotionally. He required significant investment to keep him happy. Our second example, managing the new project manager is quite challenging because she's incredibly high maintenance. Scrutinizing every detail shows it can also refer to someone demanding in a professional setting, requiring meticulous attention to tasks, and a lot of effort to meet their standards. Both examples highlight the significant investment of effort, time, or resources needed to deal with such individuals, whether in personal relationships or at work.
While high maintenance clearly conveys demandingness, let's explore some similar expressions. Demanding is a direct synonym, describing someone who makes many requests or insists on things. However, high maintenance often implies a passive demandingness, where their nature requires a lot, rather than them actively asking for it. Needy is another close term, but it specifically suggests an emotional reliance or a constant need for reassurance and attention. While a needy person can be high maintenance is broader, encompassing financial, emotional, or practical demands without necessarily implying insecurity.
To sum up, he was quite high maintenance describes someone who requires significant effort, attention, or resources. Originating from the demanding care of complex machinery, it vividly portrays individuals who are challenging to satisfy. Remember, whether it's about constant emotional support, financial extravagance, or meticulous standards, this idiom perfectly captures the essence of someone who demands a lot from those around them. Next time you encounter someone who takes a lot of energy to keep content, you'll know exactly how to describe them. I'll see you next time with another great expression.